you guys. Today we're making a really delicious recipe. We are making chocolate cupcake cookies and they are so delicious. We're making them with CNH brown sugar, and the brown sugar is gonna add moisture along with a caramely nutty flavor, which I really love, and it's so perfect for this recipe. And you know what, Mikey? The cool thing is that while I'm baking with my son, I actually learned to bake with the CNH sugar when I was just 5 years old in the kitchen with my grandma. And so it's a full circle moment being in the kitchen with my boy today to make this recipe for you guys. So we're gonna show you how easy it is. Yeah. We're gonna add salt right in at the beginning because that's gonna make the salt granules all get incorporated into the butter. We're just gonna cream that just for a minute. All right, and then we're gonna add in our brown sugar. Whoop. So then we're gonna cream this up for a couple minutes.
I'm gonna add 2 eggs in.
Yes. Plop, plop. All right, we'll add in our vanilla. So in a separate bowl, we're gonna whisk our dry ingredients, which is our flour, and then we've got our cocoa powder and our baking powder.
All right.
So go ahead and add that in. Just dump it right in there, and then whisk that up nice and good. He is a great whisk taker. So what I do is I just add all of it in at once, and then I put a towel over the top of the bowl to prevent a storm of all that flour coming out. All right, boom.
Oh.
We got a dough. All right, we gotta bake these up.
Yeah.
All right, so we're going to put the filling straight down into our piping bag. That all in there. We're gonna fill all of these and then pop them in the refrigerator, and this is gonna solidify the filling enough so we can put the ganache on top. So what you wanna do is you just take a spoonful and then you're just gonna gently lay that on top of your filling right there. So we're just gonna take a piping bag, we cut a small hole on the top, and then we're just gonna pipe along the top, and we're just gonna go up, down and around and over top, all the way across the center of our cookie, just like that. Oh, smells delicious.
Yeah.
Are you excited to eat it?
Yeah.
Yeah? These are perfect for back to school treat, like after you get done with school and football practice.
Yeah.
Have one of these? Yeah? That'd be a nice good treat.
Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers?
Yeah.
Mmm.
That's amazing.
Oh my gosh.
Thank you guys for watching. Bye.
These chocolate cupcake cookies are incredible, and the memories will last a lifetime. No matter what you bake, the recipe for happiness starts with CNH.